Yeah. Yeah. Let me get position right in this motherfucking game. Share some shit with you. Just general conversation. Back in the day they called it chit chat, you know what I'm saying? Raise up, Jay in the corner, give me my change. It's money when I spit it, so vivid with game. Typically these cats tickle me, history when they spit with me. Slippery be my slogan, exposing what God getting me. Listen, see, I'm a soldier, told you with Pona duty. You beautiful, now you get it. Frigid, hope I'm not losing you, cruising through. You suckers like hot knife through butter, no need to be afraid. I'm not like my brother, listen, time's ticking. Can't you tell I'm trying to bubble, running audible on niggas? I'm calling a no huddle, it's so subtle how I'm slowing the drama down. Calm it down, youngster, don't wanna see your mama frown. Finna clown in this game like I work for the circus. Keep my game face on, cause niggas tend to get murdered. Further up the road, I see the fork and I'm going right. Take a phrase from the old school, niggas show you right.
Passes out of pocket, out of bounds, trying to test me, but I can share some game with you niggas if you let me. The rest be trying to get me off my square like a patch, like Cheech and Chong. I'm still smoking how they love that and grudge match. What these motherfuckers waiting for? I'm all back. What the fuck you bitches hating for? I love that. Prone in this bitch, giving that till my wrist snap. Sit back, let me keep this conversation shit.
My nigga Punch came through with Patron and LaBasse Blue. Lano came through with that too. Nigga, that's true, reminiscing about the past. Wish your twerk was still alive. As hard as we strive, we all knowing that we die. Not trying to depress you, just stress to you some facts. It's a hard knock life, even harder if you black. We just trapped, trying to make it through this hellhole unscathed. It started from nothing, but listen to what the drums made. My sons pray with me, Lord, bless my seed. Yes, indeed, I spiced up the recipe. Next to me is baby came in low-key. Same sack, came back to recop it, cause the profit is so fat and your topic is so whack. Nigga rap about something, Bo and Flavor still alive. You get smacked for all that frontin', is that what you want? Some niggas strapped and they dumpin', laid back in the lack with a Mac at your pumpkin.
You passes out of pocket, out of bounds, trying to test me, but I can share some game with you niggas if you let me. The rest be trying to get me off my square like the patch, like Cheech and Chong. I'm still smoking how they love that and grudge match. What these motherfuckers waiting for? I'm all back. What the fuck you bitches hating for? I love that. Prone in this bitch, giving that till my wrist snap. Sit back, let me kick this conversation shit.
Spin the penalty wheel, man, I'm sending them chills, man. They can't understand when I'm leaping the building. I still can ride a track with ease at the neighborhood bar in the back with G. My faculty's something like a street team. Politicking, sticking to the script and competition coming to miss list. I'm gone for the fact my niggas hate it when I'm quiet. They rather me start a ride, leave these suckers hearts expired. My desire put you on it, hope these players get up on it. Midwest in the house for anyone that want it. If I'm on it, it's a classic. I bet these bastards heard me. First name James, but my last name ain't worthy. I'm worthy to get the love I'm receiving. Mix it with the hate when I break. Leave these soft batches bleeding, man. I'm seeing more salt in the game. My dogs bark off the chain, spitting slang that'll carve up your brain, regardless of pain. Stay focused. My conversation to these haters like rage or roaches. Approaches niggas with caution. The quiet type could be the riot type. Get you for your life, I'm pretty sure you don't wanna die tonight. I'm high tonight. Anything you say is used against you. That's for fucking with my mental. Keep my name out your dental. Who's scared? Better see the truth very quicker. If my niggas off that liquor, get your girl before we dick her.
You passes out of pocket, out of bounds, trying to test me, but I can share some game with you niggas if you let me. The rest be trying to get me off my square like the patch, like Cheech and Chong. I'm still smoking how they love that and grudge match. What these motherfuckers waiting for? I'm all back. What the fuck you bitches hating for? I love that. Prone in this bitch, giving that till my wrist snap. Sit back, let me kick this conversation chit chat.